Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today. I had a question on one of my prior videos. I love questions. Thanks everybody for tuning in. I appreciate everybody that does leave a comment and also ask questions on the channel. Much appreciated. The question they asked me was what lens I typically normally use for when I'm out taking photos. And typically when I'm out walking around, I am using I have a 35mm. This is the 35mm Fujifilm F2. It's the XC 35mm one. It's the cheaper basically 35mm lens from Fuji. The difference between this one and the bit more expensive one, there's no aperture ring on this. It's just the lens. There is a focus ring. It's a prime lens, but if you want to adjust the aperture, you have to use the control dial wheel on the front of the camera, or if you map it to the back of the camera. That's the one I use mostly when I'm out walking around. Just kind of keeps things simple. I have a kit lens with my Fuji X-T4. That's typically what I'm filming with, and I'm filming with that right now. But I kind of like this one. So with that, most of the photos that you see on my channel when I'm sharing them from my photo walks are from this lens. And I was out today taking some more pictures. It was actually finally a nice sunny day to get out. So I decided to go for a walk this morning. It was cold though, it was about -14, so obviously bundled up, but kind of neat, nice sunny day. Got some pictures of the river. There's lots of ice on the river, which is kind of cool looking, and just did a walked around the city, and hopefully you enjoyed these pictures. I used the Kodachrome. These are JPEGs that I'm sharing. They're the Kodachrome Fuji weekly recipe that I've shared before on the channel. That's what I've used the JPEGs for. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed that video and like the photos. Let me know what one you did like the most. Nice blue sky today, so it's kind of nice to show off a bit of the Kodachrome colors on there from this film recipe. This is the Fujifilm Fuji X weekly recipe that I've used on my camera, and I have a couple other videos with it already before. So if you want to see some more photos, go check out those back videos with some of those film simulations. Thanks to everybody that's leave a comment. Thanks to all the likes. Thanks for all the subscribes as well, everybody. It's much appreciated. This channel's really growing in the last month or two with a lot of this Fuji content, and a lot of people leaving great comments, asking great questions. So I really appreciate it. If you aren't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to reach 5,000 subscribers by the beginning of March. I think we're on track, but if you could subscribe if you're not already, that'd be awesome. Join the channel. And a huge shout out to all of the channel members. We launched channel memberships on this channel about a month ago as well. We've already got a few people signed up. So thank you to all the members that have signed up. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great weekend, everybody.